Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling Bluetooth on your Pixel 8. Go to Settings, Connected Devices, then Connection Preferences. Turn Bluetooth on. Make sure the Airpods case has charge and is open. This wakes the pairing mode. Once the case is open, press and hold the Setup button on the back for 2 to 3 seconds until the LED blinks. This active step forces the Airpods into Bluetooth discoverable mode, which is why you don't need any app yet. The Pixel will now search for them. Once the Pixel sees the Airpods in the available devices list, you will tap the device name to start pairing. This is the critical action. Make sure to accept any on-screen pairing prompts. Sometimes the Pixel asks for permission to access contacts or media. After connecting, check the Connected Devices screen to confirm audio output. If audio seems off, go into the Bluetooth device settings and switch profiles or toggle advanced audio to get the best quality. This ensures proper routing for calls and media. Finalize by testing audio. Play music and make a call to verify mic and sound. If the Airpods don't show up or fail to connect, first close and reopen the case, then try reconnecting. If that fails, reset the Airpods by holding the Setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears old pairings. Make sure to also restart your Pixel or toggle Bluetooth. These steps clear transient glitches and usually restore a clean connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.